Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing buns, Nigerian buns. You can do it at home and eat. I can do it for commercial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these buns. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Yeah, my beautiful people, making these buns, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. This is my milk. This is a half cup of milk. I'm going to use 3/4 of it. This is 3/4 that is here. This is oil. I'm using 3/4 of oil. Then this is my sugar. I'm going to use 1/4 of sugar. I'm not a sugar person. So this is baking powder, 2 tablespoons. I'm using 2 large eggs here, and I'm going to use a pinch of salt, 0.6, and the vanilla is here that I'm going to use my flavor. Then my all-purpose flour, I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to start by sieving my all-purpose flour. I'll add the baking powder. That's the baking powder. Salt. Then I'll mix it well. Mix it very well before sieving it. Then I'll pour it into the sieve. After sieving it, I'll keep it aside. Then mix my liquid ingredients. Add my sugar. When you are mixing your buns, it should not be too watery or too thick. It should be in between. so that your buns will not be hard. You don't need to mix it too much so that the buns will not be hard. So you see it's not too thick and it's not too watery. So you cover it to rest for a bit, for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you will move it, see how it is. Then you have to mix it again for 5 minutes. And by this time that I'm going to mix, I'm going to put my oil on fire. And you are going to fry it with low heat. Low heat. Thank you. See you in my next video. After frying it, I'll show you how it looks like. You're using low heat to fry it so that it will done very well. So as you are doing, you'll be turning it. The buns is ready. Very soft and sweet.